Something that people may not know about me is that I used to be a stuntman. 20 years later, I still got it. One thing I learned during my time as a stuntman was that dense materials such as brick and concrete are bad. But when it comes to your home, these dense materials are actually perfect. So take this concrete for example. During winter, the winter sun will heat the concrete, and when the sun goes down at night, the concrete releases that heat back into the home. But you can also use dense materials inside. Take this brick wall for example. Combining this wall with the natural summer breezes will help move cool air around the house, keeping temperatures comfortable. Now, the amount of dense materials you require in your home really depends on your climate. The more extreme climate, really hot or really cold, you should consider more dense materials. If you put these dense materials in the right locations in your home, that will reduce the amount of heating and cooling required. That will reduce your energy bill and put more money in your back pocket. But at the end of the day, using dense materials is not a substitution for installation. Too much? Sorry. But at the end of the day, there's no substitution.
Thanks for watching. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next renovation or new build.
Now, not everything we've done here on the sunny Gold Coast will be right for your home. Every home is different, and what's right for you will depend on where you live, whether you're renovating or building, your budget and your goals.
So jump on the website for some more great tips and ideas, and to learn how you can create a home for yourself that is healthy, efficient and comfortable.